Vern, jack of all trades, master of none. Today I went to turn on the steam heat and the screen on my T4 Pro thermostat was just blank. So I'm going to show you what I did to fix that problem and how simple it was. Here we go. Blank. So guys, as you can see here, I already pulled the thermostat out from the connection on the wall. You just basically grab it and pull it straight out. Then when I took out the batteries, I found this residue in the battery terminals. So here I just began to scrape it off. Scrape it off till it's clean and basically pop in those new batteries. And then you're going to see a good result. Hopefully this is your problem. So just watch the video to the end and you'll see how it comes out. Corrosion on the battery. So I believe that this is going to work. Just make sure again you're following the orientation. You can see the top of the battery in here. So I'm just going to put it in, follow that. Okay, as you can see, it's back on, it's blinking, it's ready to program. So was the battery. Here's the old battery. Here's the old battery. You should be able to see the corrosion on that old battery. We're going to get rid of that. So that's another option. Another thing that it could be is your battery. So you want to check that. I checked quite a few YouTube videos to see what the problem was, and the videos kept pointing me toward the direction of like having maybe a major problem and having to call in a technician. But a little extra time, we found out that it's the corrosion from a corroded battery. So let's go ahead and hook this back up and fire up the heat. That'll be it for the video. It's going to work from here. We're going to take the time to program it and do everything else. But just wanted to show you how to get that display back on. All right, see you on the next one, guys. Thanks. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button.